The German semiconductor debacle refers to Germany's struggle to establish a strong presence in the global semiconductor industry. Despite being known for its technological prowess and engineering excellence, Germany has faced challenges in keeping up with the dominant players in the industry, particularly from East Asia. This essay will delve into the reasons behind the German semiconductor debacle and analyze the potential consequences for Germany's economy and technological competitiveness. One of the primary reasons for the German semiconductor debacle is the lack of substantial investment in research and development, (R&D), in the semiconductor sector. Unlike countries like South Korea, Taiwan, and Japan, whose governments have provided significant support and funding for R&D in the semiconductor industry, Germany has not taken such proactive measures. As a result, German semiconductor companies have struggled to keep pace with the rapid advancements in chip manufacturing processes, resulting in them falling behind their Asian competitors. Another contributing factor to Germany's semiconductor debacle is its focus on large-scale manufacturing industries such as automotive and mechanical engineering. Germany has historically been reliant on these industries, pouring resources and efforts into maintaining their dominance. Consequently, the semiconductor sector has received less attention and investment, leading to missed opportunities for innovation and growth. This neglect has hindered Germany's ability to stay competitive in a fast-paced and rapidly evolving industry. Furthermore, Germany has faced challenges in building a strong semiconductor ecosystem that fosters collaboration between industry, academia, and the government. A well-functioning semiconductor industry requires a robust ecosystem that encourages knowledge sharing, promotes innovation, and supports the development of cutting-edge technologies. Germany has struggled to establish such an ecosystem, which has hampered its ability to create a thriving semiconductor industry. The consequences of the German semiconductor debacle are significant. Firstly, Germany's technological competitiveness is at stake. The semiconductor industry is at the heart of digitalization trends such as artificial intelligence, Internet of Things, and autonomous vehicles. Falling behind in this crucial sector means Germany risks losing its competitive edge in the broader technology landscape. This, in turn, could negatively impact other industries that rely on semiconductor technologies and components. Additionally, the German semiconductor debacle has economic implications. Germany has long enjoyed a strong manufacturing sector, contributing significantly to its export-oriented economy. However, as the semiconductor industry continues to grow in importance, Germany's failure to establish a competitive foothold puts its economic growth and job creation potential at risk. The semiconductor industry has a multiplier effect, driving innovation and creating high-skilled jobs. Failing to capitalize on this opportunity means Germany could miss out on substantial economic benefits. However, there is still hope for Germany to recover from the semiconductor debacle. The recent push for digitalization and Industry 4.0 initiatives has brought greater attention to the importance of the semiconductor industry. The German government, realizing the need for action, has started to allocate more funds towards R&D in the tech sector, including semiconductors. This increased investment will help foster innovation and close the technological gap between Germany and its Asian counterparts. Furthermore, partnerships and collaborations between German semiconductor companies, academia, and research institutions have the potential to drive technological advancements. By leveraging Germany's existing strengths in engineering and manufacturing, combined with cutting-edge research, these partnerships can pave the way for Germany to regain its relevance in the semiconductor industry. In conclusion, the German semiconductor debacle has been primarily driven by a lack of investment in R&D, a focus on traditional industries, and the absence of a well-functioning semiconductor ecosystem. However, with increased government support and a renewed focus on innovation and collaboration, Germany has the opportunity to recover and establish a competitive position in the global semiconductor industry. Doing so is crucial for maintaining its technological competitiveness, driving economic growth, and ensuring a prosperous future in a digitalized world.